Good day, my friends. So today I did a recipe I never done before, but I used whatever I had in the fridge and in my pantry. And I had the 2 zucchini, and I had a red pepper, I had an onion, I had some breadcrumbs, I had some eggs, but I did not have flour. So I thought that the breadcrumb was going to do the binding with the eggs. And I tried it to see. And I have to say, they turned out really, really good. Now, I have them here. I'll show them to you. They're so good. Now, I'm gonna try one, which I did already, but I'm gonna try it. I never thought to do fritters without flour. I used bread in it, and it turned out really good. It binded well, and I will put the rest of the video how I did them, the ingredients and how the process I did them, and I fried them, and they're really, really good. Actually, my husband is asking for more. So anyways, I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and until the next one. So I really never did this recipe before. I had no flour, so I only used what I had in my pantry and in my fridge. So I have 2 zucchini, 1 onion, 1 red pepper, 2 eggs, Parmesan cheese, and breadcrumbs, and some milk. So I basically will probably see how it goes when I mix everything together. I might add a little bit more breadcrumbs. It's all in to make it binding, and that's very important because when you're frying, you don't want them to open up and make them go all over. You need to grate your zucchini fine, and that's very important. Very important is to remove the liquid from the zucchini, or else you will have too much liquid in your mixture. As well, do the same thing with the onion, remove it, and then you just add it to the zucchini, and that is important. Again, cut your red pepper fine and add it to the mixture and mix very well. That's important. Add 1 cup of parmesan. Start with 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and then you can adjust. I needed to put 2 cups, so here is my 2nd cup. And then I mixed it all well, and I wanted to get the right density of the recipe. Add some salt and also some pepper. Next, add your 2 eggs and mix very well. I have 1/4 cup of milk, but I started off by just adding half of that, and that's all I did. It was only half I used. Here, my friends, you got to use your hands because you got to feel if the ingredients bond. You see, that's exactly how I want it. And then I'm going to flatten them out and I'm going to fry them. I did them like little pancakes. I did not want to do them like meatballs. I just wanted to see how it turns out. It's the first time I do this recipe. In a frying pan, add some oil for frying. Make sure your oil is hot enough and you can start frying them. So you have to understand, I never did this recipe before. I've done them in different ways with the flour and everything else, but doing them with just the bread, I wasn't sure if they were going to hold up when I was frying them, so I was a little bit concerned of that. So here I wanted to make sure they were not sticking, and they were doing pretty good, so I was quite pleased with them. I'm sorry, in the background you can hear the news. My husband is listening to his nightly news. I'm not sure. I am. This is a new recipe, completely different. I don't know if anybody did it before, but I did not have flour, so I used bread. So we'll see. After, I would say 3 minutes, it's time to turn them over and let them also cook for another 3 minutes. I'm sorry for the background sound. Uh-huh. You see who's coming?
Di qua o di là?
Come di qua o di là?
Prima vai detto vieni di qua.
Vieni. Oh, doesn't matter. Puoi pigliare quello che vuoi. Sono buone?
Yeah.
I told you he'll be back. Well, I'm really pleased the way they turned out. It's a good recipe to keep, and I hope you guys will try it. And we'll see you on the next recipe.